He's kidding.
No, you have a lot of more balls.
Oh. Alligator. Guys, this is the aftermath. This is the aftermath of the hurricane. There's gonna be more coming though, but the trailer is okay. It was strapped down to the ground so it didn't blow away right there, Dan.
Go show him.
What'd you steal from Avery's house?
That bottle.
Avery watches these videos.
Yeah, Matthew.
Well, I know I didn't do an intro for this video, but it's okay. I didn't do, yeah, you know. But I'm just gonna film all the floodings and what happened. We were driving earlier. We saw some knockdown trees and stuff. And that's about it. It's flooded and stuff. But I'm gonna show you what we have over here. It's still pretty windy, as y'all can hear. Y'all can probably hear it on camera.
Feels good.
Last night it was really bad. Like last night the wind was like whistling. It was like woo! There was one time it was wet. It did. It sounded like that. I thought it was Matthew screaming.
I don't hear it.
And then I heard. I was like, geez. I thought it was Matthew at first.
You should see it in Portland.
But yeah, and guys, at Portland, they had tornadoes there because you know the eye of the hurricane. The eye of the hurricane was in Portland, or it was around Portland, and it tore houses up. It tore businesses up. It killed one person. It killed one person. They know so far because of a fire. He got burned in a fire and he died. I don't know who it was, but it was one death in Portland. And I hope those people can find a new home for right now, and then they can get back in school, because Portland High School got collapsed. I think that's what I heard, that the Portland High School collapsed, or some school did, because they took shelter there, but it still collapsed and people were inside. But I think they're okay, but they're just injured. But I'm just going to show you what our ponds. Remember yesterday whenever I showed you my ponds? There was barely any water in there. So right now, the ponds are full to the max. No, this is a big one. This is a big gust of wind. But anyway, the wind was bad. I know the wind's still bad right now. But here are the ponds. I'm gonna show you the ditch yesterday in the driveway. And here it is, guys.
Oh my God! It's gonna be playing music.
You say you're gonna run through.
Huh?
You say you were gonna run through, but like you know, you're not even gonna do it.
Ready?
Been ready for like 50 seconds.
No. But you go first. Mark. Set. Go.
You have to lay in it.
Go, Matt. Work.
Your turn.
Let's do this. Go, Matt. It's okay.
Oh, that's cold. That is cold.
How do you know?
Cause a splash.
I'm gonna do it again. We're gonna go together. Ready? No. Sit. Go. No. My shorts. I have to change my shorts anyways.
Yeah, guys, that's the aftermath of the hurricane. And man, what a hurricane. I played Xbox throughout the whole hurricane last night. It's not over with yet. It still has a little bit more to go. People say it goes till Wednesday, but it still has a ways to go. As y'all can see, the clouds are pretty dark. There's a cone inside the ditch. The wind blew that cone in there. And if y'all are wondering, yes, the power went out last night. Of course, because you know it's a hurricane. Some people's power didn't go out, but my power went out. And Italian, I know I cut off whenever I was playing with you. That means the power went out. So, well, the power didn't go out. Whenever I was playing on Xbox, the reason why I got off, the power flickered. And came like it flickered on, off and on. And then I just like, oh, I'm gonna stay off because the power was probably gonna go off again. So it did whenever I was sleeping. And we have the generator going on in the trailer and trying to get the power back on later on today. Oh, guys, it's dark. I want to get back to the light. Guys, I just looked. It's pouring outside right now. It's calmed down, but I'm gonna show you outside. It's raining a lot more. I told them it's gonna rain more, but they're like, nah, it's not gonna rain no more. But it's pouring now, so I'm gonna show y'all how much it's been pouring for like the past 2 days. Guys, this is what it looks like. Let's go outside. Guys, look at all this wind. The hurricane is here again.
Again, guys, look how fast the clouds.
I know. Look. Oh, look. There's some sunshine. Jeez, this wind is strong. Y'all can hear it, guys. Look at that tree over there. The one that's coming from over there. Look at that cloud, though. Look at these clouds. There's more, though. Over there it's not so bad, but over here is bad.
The rabbit inside because, you know.
Yeah, he lives in there, but rabbits can't handle rain. But look at this. Earlier, this driveway was dry a little bit, but now it's a little more wet. Now it's pouring again. It's pouring again. It's pouring again. Oh, the phone's on the floor.
Yeah, I know. You put it on the floor.
Alright, I'm gonna show it outside again. I'm not gonna go outside. I ain't going. Oh. Yeah, it's not pouring enough. I'll film it whenever it's pouring. I'll show you how hard it's been raining for like the past 2 days. Alright guys, I think that's going to be the end of the video. I couldn't film the rain because it's too dark. And it hadn't started up again since last time it started.
It's not dark enough, it's dark.
It's dark enough.
Look, come here. Come here. That way you just turn the remote control and that thing off.
But I can't see. Okay. Guys, well, I'm sorry about that, but it's pouring down rain. Y'all understand. Y'all seen it on the radars and stuff. So, guys, make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe. And I went through the hurricane okay.
Yeah,
Don't forget to have a great day.